Great photos start with great composition. In this video, we're gonna kick off a new Capture One series starting with composition. The first tool we're gonna look at is the crop tool. You can access it in several ways by clicking this button here from the toolbar at the top, or by going into Shape and select Crop Tool, or by using the shortcut C on your keyboard. The crop tool is very simple to use. Just click and drag from the corners to adjust your composition. Once you're happy with the framing, you can either switch to a different tool or simply press Enter to apply the crop. We can also experiment with different aspect ratio. For this image, I'd really like this aspect ratio, but when working with vertical portraits, I really like the 4:5. To change it, we'll click on the arrow to open the drop-down menu, where you will find a selection of different aspect ratios. From here, I'm gonna choose the 4:5. I like this ratio so much, maybe because it's a classic magazine format and it feels very natural for the portraits. I'll crop in a little tighter just to bring more focus to the face and then press Enter to apply. When it comes to rotation, we have a couple of options. We can use this slider to adjust the angle, or we can go back at the crop tool by pressing C on your keyboard and simply drag outside the corners to rotate the image. Once that's done, let's apply the changes and return to our main image. If you're working with Capture One Pro, you have access to composition aids like grids. By enabling the grid overlay, you can customize it to suit your needs. For example, I'm currently using a 3x3 grid, but I could switch to a 2x2 grid, which clearly shows the exact center of the image. There are also more advanced options available, such as the golden ratio, the Fibonacci spiral, which can be useful if you want to experiment with more complex composition techniques. For this example though, we'll stick with the rectangular grid. You can also change the grid color to make it stand out more, especially when working with colorful images. By using these composition tools, it becomes much easier to guide your eyes and find the composition that really works for your images. Once everything looks good, we're ready to move over. In the next video, we're gonna start with the exposure tool.